Hey guys. Hey. Welcome back to the channel. Ha! 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 So, today Matt's swinging by and we're going out to Fuse Fabrication out in Kent. We're gonna get his exhaust fixed and get it going again. So he had a muffler on his car before and it fell off. Well, the weld broke and then it started blah, 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 and then now we're just awful loud. So Matt's on his way. He's gonna grab me. We're gonna head out to Fuse Fabrication. Hopefully we get a coffee on the way because I really want something to drink and I really want coffee, to be honest. So he's on his way. We're gonna grab some coffee and we're gonna go hang out at Fuse Fabrication, get some cool shots, and hang out around the shop. It's right next to Right Hand Drive Specialties too, which is kind of a cool shop. So if they're open, we can go look at some cool right hand drive cars too. Who knows? So see you there. We've got our coffee.
Yeah.
Man of many
Delicious.
words. So now we're headed over to Fuse. I think we're like 2 blocks away or so. Holy shit. Like 2 blocks away or so, so we'll update you in a moment. We've made it to Fuse. Sound like shit. Give me one more.
One all the way?
Yeah, give me one all the way. Well, we just got done at Fuse Fabrication. Dope shop. Dope shop. We got a whole bunch of cool B-roll stuff, as you guys just saw. Matt's car sounds a lot better. It's not stupid loud anymore, is it?
It's not terrible.
It's not terrible. So, that concludes this video. We're gonna go home, start editing this stuff. We have hours of B-roll to cut through. So, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button if you dare. And if you're not already, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. You can do that here. And thanks for spending time here, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace. I was waiting for you to like get on it or something.